All right, we're going to talk about site navigation today. And site navigation refers to this area of the site here where you can navigate to different pages within the site. And now in the site administration section of the site console, you can click on a site navigation link and open up this window, which allows you to manage how that site navigation looks. So the first thing I'll mention is that you can change the order that the items show up in horizontally. So news home is going to always be the first thing on your left, so you can't affect the home link. But after that, the news item will show up, and then calendar, and then meets, and then the team drop down. So you can change that order if you like. You can do a couple other things. You can delete an item if you don't want it to show up. Maybe you don't want the About Us page, or maybe you don't have sponsors, and so you just want to delete the sponsors link. That's okay. You don't have to delete it, though. You could just make it invisible. So this visible column indicates whether or not something is visible. And then also here is the security of that tab or that page. So in other words, if this checkbox is checked, the user will need to be logged in to be able to get to that page. So for instance, right now I've got the roster, photos, products, and parent directory all secured so that the user that's visiting the site will not be able to navigate to those pages. Now, even more exciting than that is now you'll be able to add custom pages to the site via the custom pages window, which is separate from this. But once you've added them, I can add a completely new menu item by going to Add Menu. Okay, and it's in gray because I haven't saved it yet. And let's say I want to call it New Tab. Then I'll click on this drop down, and down here at the bottom of the drop down, every custom page that you've created will show up here, and we can select this as a test. And of course, we have to make it visible. And then where in the order do we want to put it? Do we want to put it at the end of the row, in which case I'd put number 15, or perhaps I want it between the swim meets and the team link. That would be number 4. So I'll put it there, and I'll save it. Okay, and also I didn't mention you can change the name of your tab. So let's say you don't like the info name of that tab. You can call it Team Info, for instance, and we can save that. And now we'll go back to the original page and see the changes. So I'm just going to click on Home to refresh the navigation, and you'll see that I have a new tab, and I have Team Info instead of just Info. And if I click on New Tab, it's going to go to my custom page that I created completely custom, which I can also edit if I choose. This is my newest custom page. Test. We'll save it. Okay. And now, when I click on New Tab, there it is. I hope that helps and that you'll enjoy the new navigation features available on swimteam.us.